Okay, fine. I'm gonna make a little bit longer episode. If you didn't say that I shouldn't, it's your own damn fault. If you're here, again, your damn fault. So let's do a little bit longer one. Hello, and welcome back. I'm gonna try to experiment. I'm gonna be honest about the whole situation as I usually am. I thought that maybe making shorter videos is gonna be more interesting for you guys. I'm not sure if that's the case or not. Allowed to repair. Why don't they go and repair on their own? Anyway. Whatever, I need to remove some of the excess infrastructure. I can, but I don't have to. Let's see what's happening with the gravel now. I think... Well, actually, it's not broken. I thought gravel would be broken. Let me just do this. So, I'm gonna be honest that I thought it was gonna be just like a little bit more entertaining for you guys to have... What the hell is underground? Nothing. Overlaps? With what? Anyway, so I asked you guys what do you think. Should we go for longer episodes, shorter episodes? Just in general opinion about the I still gonna do what I think I need to do just because I don't like the honestly like I don't know how much time I have to record. Like I don't earn any money on this. Old Gala, whale tier, a couple of you guys that I sometimes mention that you help the channel. You did help the channel like in the last 3 or 4 years. It's not I'm not rich, but I was able to buy some PC parts to upgrade stuff so I can make new videos, and it's only due to you guys who bought coffee or Patreon, Kaya, Cheeb, or all of you who are contributing to this channel. Also, Copti. I'm sorry. Should I probably just go there again? I have the list of all of you, and thank you so much for everything. Let's just do it just because I don't want to miss anybody. Old Gala, Tom, he was one of the bigger ones. Plastic Putin, Mr. Moore, Mr. M, the Aya, Lance, Gary, and Tsatsa Coffee. Sorry about that. Sorry for butchering this. Of course, Kayama, Cheeb, and Copti in the Patreon section. So sorry about that. I probably should put your names on the screen as well. That's what I'm working on for the last like 2 years. I didn't do much though. Alright, so all of you who contributed to this channel, I really appreciate that, and your input is always very valuable. Did I just searching for repair station? Seriously? Yeah, looks like we're gonna have to start replacing the vehicles. Now I'm gonna have to ask you, so all depends about my time. How much time do I have to record? How much of my day this takes? But I'm still playing it. It's like I should be recording a little bit more. I don't think I should have problems recording a little bit more and getting the episodes out, because I don't think that's a big issue. It shouldn't be a big issue for me. I just need to reorganize my time a little bit better. And that's it. I think I should be able to accommodate that. Just in case, I might dribble around with shorter and longer episodes. I'm running out of waste, by the way, just a heads up. Wait, what? That's a lot of concrete construction waste. I mean, 21 tons. I do have 21-ton truck who is delivering this, and he's not back, and it's already almost full. That's interesting. That's fine. I need to lower the consumption of this heating plant, because this is gonna heat now the village as well. Actually, it is heating the village, so village is being heated as well. We have a police station, small clinic. We're gonna talk about that. So anyway, I'm gonna try to make this episode a little bit longer. Let's say 20-minute segment before, then time lapse. Maybe no, just because I'm recording this now, it's 11:30, and I need to publish. I usually publish this video in 2 hours. I'm gonna record this for like 40-45 minutes without time lapses, and I will just be talking about this. In the future, I might do 20-minute segment and then 20 minutes for me speed through the game, but I don't see the point of this. Like, you just see a lot of zoom for 5 minutes. I'm not sure if you're even interested in that. If I'm doing it off screen and explaining what I'm doing, seriously? Okay, I am confused. Why would you have the... Whoa, what the hell happened here? Oh, is it? No. What the hell is this? Okay, did I do something wrong? Okay, just pause for a cause, because looks like they can't get to one of the fields. What's the time? 20th September. Let's do it like this. I'm just gonna do it like this because they go... Sorry about this. For Oolykee it's 11:30, but it's early morning as well because I did an all-nighter. For me, all-nighter means after midnight. I stayed up, and it was a long week before that. I'm just catching up with my sleep. I think I just did it, so that's fine. So I'm gonna talk about what I did in the last episodes. I bought a couple of trains. We have only 189,000 rubles. I redid what I'm doing with the trains. I'm automatically exporting coal with the trains, and I don't know how well I'm doing that. Actually, this doesn't look too bad. So we have 750 tons of coal here. This train, I monitored it. It can carry 500 tons of coal. So it's even now with 500 tons of coal, not enough to constantly keep the mine working. Yeah, so constantly keep the mine working. It's kind of my goal because let me show you this. Export. Last year. So last year we exported around 500,000 tons of, 500,000 rubles of coal. This is decent amount. Now, why am I saying this? These trains don't take the border crossing time as much as the hazardous waste. Hazardous waste is only minus 196,000. Now, this thing with the hazardous waste, it's not only that we get 196,000 rubles for importing this waste, we also get some byproducts of the waste that I like there's burnable stuff that keeps our lights on or heating on, and there's also look at this, we have like almost 200 tons of aluminum process from this, and that if you add this to the price, if I try to export it now, that would be another, yeah, but this is through several years. This would be another, what is this, 300,000 rubles, which would be similar to the coal exports, plus metals and other stuff, steel that we're getting, and then, like I said, burnable things for fuel. But I still think it's taking too much border crossing time, so I'll retire the train for the import of trash for now. I will see how the border crossing reacts, because currently it's empty. I was thinking of buying maybe even more wagons. You can see here this one returned back with a coal. Didn't refuel. This is interesting. I thought they have fuel here and that they should refuel every time they're here. Maybe they need to be at a certain level of fuel. Anyway, doesn't matter. So this is what I did with the trains. I automated them. We have 5 trains now, and they're all busy. I'm gonna show you this. So we have this one delivering coal. We have this one here. Oh, this one is not working. Because it's waiting. This one was export. You see, this is the problem. How do I do this now? I need to do something with this, because this guy now is wasting locomotive space. I think I'm gonna have to buy more wagons. I'll probably do that, but let's cross that bridge when we come to it. Okay, we have the next one. Just wanted to demonstrate what the trains... Oh, this one is not doing anything. That's perfect. And then this one is delivering, and then this one is also delivering. So we have one extra train that is not doing it. Yeah, this is mechanical components, machine parts. Okay, so that's the trains. They're working. We have 5 trains. 4 of them are currently active. So I built the meat storage, which is working. I built the storage for food, clothing, and the rest of the stuff for distribution. I'm already using this. There's a small distribution office here. Sorry, that's demolition. Distribution office is here, and they are distributing, let's see here, we have, right, I did not select the meat from here, so now they're gonna start distributing meat as well. Where are they distributing? To the village. I'm covering village from here because the Lukashik as a town has been covered by the old depot, let's call it like that, distribution, sorry. It has a mixture of trucks and is barely functioning because there's no empty trucks here. I think I'm gonna have to increase this size, if I even can. So I'm gonna have to revamp distribution office for Oolykee, for our capital, the biggest city that we have. And just because I'm thinking that we're running at the limit. But also, the city is not going to grow anymore. This is more or less it. I might beautify it a little bit, but I've been ignoring it because it's functioning. Don't touch it. This was my politics here. I do have a problem with the construction offices and how I... Why is it not repaired automatically? Anyway, whatever. The construction office and what they do. You can see here, sorry. Excuse me for that. They have a lot of projects that they need to work on. This is automated construction office. I did not put any people working here. I probably should allow people to work on the reconstruction of the houses, because I think all the materials for the reconstruction of the houses are delivered. So if we go here, building maintenance, oh, it's 0 wear and tear. Let's see, let's find the house. Oh yeah, by the way, I put them waste disposal, containers, blah 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 blah. I put them all around here, and I'm thinking about more roads now. That the city with more roads would be better. This is absolutely appalling. I don't like it, just because of the container system that they have. That's the only reason why I'm thinking this. Anyway, so let's see some of the houses that need to be rebuilt. Building maintenance, 90 wear and tear, 95%. So if you go here, you can see that all the materials are delivered. Can people come here and repair it on their own? I don't think so. I think I'm gonna have to do with, let's see, footpath office. Footpath office is busy as well because there's no buses here. Do we even have buses? Do we even lift? And then we have the actual wear and tear office that is not doing anything. Actually, look at this chemical plant here. This is extremely important because it stops production, because it has, you can see here, this icon is machine replacement in progress. When the machine replacement is in progress, they don't work. Actually, that's also not true, because some buildings do work, some buildings don't work when this is machine replacement. I think like water purification treatments, but I think they work while the replacement is in order. I don't know. This is just the things that I noticed, maybe. Right. So continuing on, messages are I'm just swamped with the messages constantly. So this is really bad. It's really annoying. You can hear it in the background often when it just goes and collapses. So just constantly this, sometimes 2-3 buildings at a time. And bear in mind that this is nothing. This is not even, like, look at the village here. So this is village that I never touched. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. I would say that maybe less than half of the buildings are collapsed. That means that's how many more buildings that will collapse here, like a third. I would say even third of the buildings are collapsed, and these messages are going to be coming like crazy. Yeah, so this is going to be annoying part for me at least. So yeah, okay. I'm gonna just say I'm hypnotized by the waste management. I love it. I really do. I love how this works. I think the rail construction thing is a little bit of... I'm thinking out loud now. So I think that waste management... the railroad construction, not waste manager, railroad construction should be done also by the construction offices, not only railroad construction office, but normal construction offices, that they should be able to work on the railroad construction, maybe slower or something, whatever, but that you should be able to put a railroad infrastructure in place without railroad construction office. Maybe. I don't know. Why am I saying that? Because I'm thinking of implementing here where we have the brewery that the Toprus put on the map. This is Toprus's map. I wanted to use this brewery and this warehouse, rebuild it. And what I wanted to do with it is build a small railroad infrastructure. And this is exactly where I build a tunnel now. That's sad. What I wanted to build is the silo. Yeah, this is gonna be tricky. I think I can do this like a so. Let's play with this a little bit. So I wanted to build a small railroad. I wanted to build. Oh no, I cannot build buildings over the tunnels, I believe. Yeah, that's gonna be annoying. Let's see. Sorry, buildings. Yeah, storage and the grain. Yeah. Oh, I can. Okay. Yeah, but the problem is the brewery. No, maybe I'm just gonna rebuild this brewery on this side here, and then I was thinking of connecting it with a small railroad infrastructure. Small railroad infrastructure for several farms to bring the... So I would build it to the same distillery as we have here, the vanilla one, that consumes 30 tons of crops, and this is at least 2 farms. Now, thinking about 2 farms, I can actually build 2 farms back to back and brewery next to it if it's in the open. Yeah, maybe like because 30 tons per day, it's not that much. 30 tons per day, I think 2 farm. No, it's 42. Wait, what? That's wrong. Here we go. 30 tons of crops per day. I think this is not too... the 2 farms can handle that. And I just need a bigger silo, which is also going to be helpful. But yeah, we'll see. I wanted to build a small railroad infrastructure to deliver crops and use these small trains that also Toprus and who else? Yeah, I think Toprus made a small train pack. Anyway, new city, a new construction area. Okay, so the new area has everything. I think it has everything delivered. So I have a flooding delivering the construction materials. We have the food being imported. Alcohol, fabric, chemicals, clothes are domestically produced, and these last 3 things are being imported as well. I have meat being imported as well. That's something that I'm going to be working around here. I think it's going to be meat industries, alcohol industries, which we already have, but this is going to be alcohol industries, and potentially even food industries around the city. I build way more roads just because I want to implement the container stands around here so they can cover as much as possible. So I'll see how that's going to work. I'm going to try to squeeze them on the roads and some such. City is not really ready to go. I don't have sewage taken care of, and I'm gonna be building the sewage discharge and purification. Sewage purification, what's with this? I mean, it's not really important. These are just construction roads that I place in here that, you know, so they can go around and deliver materials from the other side if needed. When I was building roads, but you can see here all the roads are done. I was thinking that maybe I should have built roads in this direction as well, but yeah, whatever. Let's go and build the footpaths here. Let them build this footpath infrastructure. When I start building this, you can see that the bus station, central bus station, is ready, but everything else is not yet ready. So, yeah, I'm gonna start in this episode. I'm gonna start building the rest of the infrastructure. And the most important kind of pet peeve project or pet project is this village. I rebuilt these houses. They don't have everything that they need at the moment. I'm gonna focus on finishing this in this episode. I gave them their own construction office, but I don't think this works well. I think I need bigger construction offices and they need way more buses. I need people here, so that's a problem. So I was thinking I need more smaller buses. So for example here, I think I'm gonna go for, let's see if they have everything selected. They do. We have 4 dumper trucks. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 concrete mixers. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 open hull trucks, but this is because some of the vehicles are going to be delivered like this. I didn't put the road maintenance vehicles here, so that's something I'm going to have to do probably. So if I go for bulldozer, roller, and paver, they're gonna walk here, so they're gonna be slow. But by the way, bear in mind that these guys are gonna be delivering footpath, everything. They're gonna be constructing everything. And now after bringing these three here, I think I'm not gonna have enough space for, like, only 3 vehicles more can fit in here. And I don't even have a crane. This is a problem because crane is really good. Crane is good. Crane is great. So I will have to maybe remove some of the vehicle. Oh, they're delivering. Is anybody not delivering? Looks like they're all driving. Here we go. This one is not doing anything, so I'm gonna just park it here. We need a road crane. Do we have excavator? Yes, we do. This is just some. I'm just dumping vehicles here. We have a road. Yeah, this is it. This is it. I think this whole construction office needs to be moved here, and they can then work on all of these. projects fixing the village houses, but also there's so many other stuff that yeah, I just what was the machinery replacement? Ah, damn it. Okay, let's do it like this. Let's find out chemical plant, and I need to assign what's the name of this. This is Oolykee probably. Is it going to be, yeah, Oolykee construction office, and bang, let me see if you have machine replacement. Yeah, it's in the back here. So this is the most important thing that we have. Hopefully they can just continue from here. But yeah, this is how the construction office for one village town should look like. This is not working. The construction offices are just too complicated, and they just require a lot of stuff to be used. Okay, so 20 minutes me talking about what happened previously. I really love the waste management, just a heads up. I'm definitely pro that. I found out something that is gonna really pique my interest is squeezing the building in the existing villages and stuff. Like, I will expand here residential areas. For example, increasing the density here, it shouldn't be too big of a deal. Right, I need to do something. Sorry about that, guys. So increasing density in this village wouldn't be a big deal, and I would enjoy this thoroughly. I would really enjoy this thoroughly, like either using these the what's I call it, the Robs's mods with a little bit older buildings. These are actually horrible because they have road connections, but let's say these buildings, we can make a brand new old village if you want to, and that's gonna slowly increase the density of the village. I prevented them from getting any population still. I tried, but they're still not fully happy, so we need to increase their happiness. So let's talk about this. I think this is the perfect time. I gave them village library. I gave them heating. They have water. They have power. They have heating, sewage, everything that they need. I think there's a high pollution. This is what I'm gonna do also next. One of the next things that we're gonna build here is pollution monitoring station, because there's two big pollutants here. One of them sewage discharge, the second one the heating plant and the waste management there. So I'm just gonna squeeze this one in here, and I can actually do a little bit better job. Let's see if I can get the where is it, the government buildings, and here, and F1 just to see where. Yeah, this can be literally next to library. Oolykee's hometown doesn't have weather monitoring station, but village next to it, it has a weather monitoring station next to school. It almost looks like exactly like this, by the way. It's a weather station, not a pollution station. It probably should have pollution station as well there. Probably does. I think it measures particulates and stuff like that. Anyway, so continuing on, we have the what do they need? They need school, kindergarten not so much, but school at least, and college. Was about to college. This is something that we might actually implement first, like the bus line, supplying college students to the Oolykee. But we'll see about that. Definitely, small school is the thing that we're missing here. So if I go for the really small school, let's see what we have. This one would be 240 students. I think this is too big. 180 students. I don't know how much lower than 180 we can go. This is 156. 180, something smaller. This is Robs's ones. All of them looks like everybody goes for capacity. Nobody goes here. 72 students. This is a big school. Let's see the range. I love that everything is covered. Can we do it here? No, doesn't have coverage. What about here? It has coverage all the way there. I think this one is the most centrally located. If I put it here next to police station, I'll give it a little bit more space, and then let's do it like this, connected to the main road with the footpath. Yeah, it's fine. I think this is okay. Let's just build this whenever they have a chance, and then let's build a mud road over here, just so they can start construction as soon as possible. It's gonna take a while because there's a lot of houses to be repaired first. I can actually ground transport, and then dumpers. They're gonna be from the new construction office area. So yeah, this is what I'm doing with the village, and then we have the I think when I'm focusing on talking, I'm much slower in building. Usually, when I wouldn't focus on talking, I would be building much faster. So I'm removing some of these construction offices that are not needed anymore. I'm using these construction offices as like vehicle dump site parking spaces and stuff. You can see here that we have some. I can literally just turn them off, but they're not doing anybody any harm, and I could put them in operation by just allowing them to, you know, source anything that they want, like for example this, and then just start clicking. They're gonna get this and people from here, and if I can actually copy paste this to rest of them like this and this, and they're not doing any harm to anybody, so they can just go and work on anything that they want to work on. All of them are on auto search and just, like, you know, help out others. Yeah, that's it. Looks like there's a busy situation happening here. Hopefully this is temporary, but we'll see. Okay, so village has a school coming up. They have a police station, they have a small clinic, shopping center, a pub, library. They don't have sports facility. I can do that as well. Let's see, sports facilities. We can do it through here. They have something small, really small. 330. What is this? This is just a school gym. Yeah. Let's see in the tourist area if we have something a little bit nicer. They have here something nicer and smaller. This is again school gym. This is, I didn't expect this to be here, but why the hell not? School gym 60, 70. This is all ropes. I wanted to something standalone, and yet small, that is not related to school. School gym, sports hall. This might be a little bit too big. 1070, 1505, 3200, 400, 1890. What is this? Indoor pool. What is this? Indoor pool. This is similar to, yeah. I think I'm gonna go for the school, just like school gym, a small one. This one. Oh, darn you. School gym here. Where to put it? I think I can't put it next to the school, but I'm just thinking that I'm squeezing too much stuff in already here, so let's do it like this. Fine. At least it has multiple entrances. F2. Let's tee the sucker. Something like this, maybe. There we go. And this can go in this direction. So we can start constructing this as well. I can assign the groundwork office, transport office, and the dumper. All of them are already from the new area. There's no more these. Some of them are just called like that, but currently I'm just they're not being used for the same purpose. Doesn't matter. So all of them are coming from here. And this is where we have capacity for further development. You can see here 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are the bus offices. I had to squeeze them like that because they wouldn't fit otherwise. So we have these bus offices. Only one of them is busy. This one here. And the rest of them, they have nothing to do, so we can actually give them stuff to do. You can see here there's a lot of village houses being reconstructed. I think I allowed them to do so as well now, and I think that was a mistake because there's too many of them. I'll skip the reconstruction, but we can heal. Oh right, I planned for a coal power plant, by the way. We can build that, and I think I can even potentially... Let's do this. Let's go for bus 4, because this one has huge cranes and bigger buses. That would be this one here. They're gonna start on the power plant here. So we have a power plant. This is gonna be coal delivery system, and I can actually it's already connected. I want to say, oh, I can actually connect it. It's connected. So I can literally deliver coal now and start heating and all that stuff. I'm building a bus station here, a coal power plant, connectors, all this good stuff. Like, I can manually do this now. Like, I know that this can be finished by these two, well, by one construction office. This one is ready. I can even give this one to this. So just go and do it. Bus station is also ready to build. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna start mixing this up. And I think we have... I'm gonna give more capacity to bus number 2. So if I go here, bus number 2, let's see, conveyor belt, this is assigned. I can increase the priority. Just so this increase in priority is just so I know where the bus construction offices are involved. So I don't have to click on that. When I see this, it's red. That means that I don't have to add anything, that it should be finished. We have a school, that's a new school being constructed, that's groundworks, and then we have gym, that's new stuff that's being constructed. Okay, so we have some capacity for rebuilding the houses. You can see here that this one is lacking groundwork to deliver concrete. I'm pretty sure that our groundworks was really busy. Oh, okay, they have a couple of cement mixers there, so that's fine. I'll give them bus 2 to go and start building this, rebuilding these houses, just because they're annoying. Where are those? They're here. Wow. Do I really want to maintain those houses? Didn't I disconnect them from the... Why are they connected again? Well, you know what? No. Why are they connected? Did I connect them? I don't know. I shouldn't be doing this. If they need to burn down, they can burn down. If I decide to rebuild this village, I'm gonna rebuild this village. I don't really want them to do this. Excuse me. These houses don't need to be rebuilt. I will redo this. Let's see. Some of them are connected. They don't have access to the road anymore. Right, so if I go back to the dumper trucks and I start... You can see here that they don't have access anymore to this, to the roads. I'm gonna continue rebuilding the houses. This is not a problem, but these houses need to be the ones that we can actually rebuild. This is the road construction office, only in charge of roads. Again, I'm gonna remove all of these rebuilding projects. I'm gonna skip this for now. Let them burn down the houses. And this one that's the same one. Go away. So auto search is not gonna be repairing. Well, I disconnected these houses. I disconnected even these houses as well. So I'm not gonna be rebuilding them at the moment. Well, some of them are being, I think, rebuilt. We'll see. This one, for example, I think is being fixed or something. I don't know. Doesn't matter. The excavator is probably going for a tunnel or something. No, I have no idea. Let him do the voodoo that he do so well. Okay, let's continue on. I'm gonna have a coffee break, so cheers, guys. I think I made a mistake here when I was building this. This is the train aggregate unloading station. And it's not connected to a storage, so this might have to be rebuilt. That's fine, I'm gonna leave it as it is. Let's see what kind of storage does the power plant have, because this is not a storage. I didn't connect it to the storage. I should have connected it to this, which it's not a problem. Like, if I need to rebuild this, I can do it. Like, let's see. This is my favorite. So I can do it T, rotate, there we go. So something like this, and then build one over here that I know that is going to be connected here, or even this one might be connected there, but well, I can just connect it from the storage. It's not a problem. For now I might see if they can rely on the coal that is being supplied from here. I think it might be a problem because this doesn't, darn it. I think this might be a problem because these engines, I shouldn't have put an engine here. This is what screws up the trains, because they don't know what the storage capacity is when it's connected to multiple engines or even one engine, because this works as an engine. So this is a mistake on my part, but parts are already delivered. Like, even if I want to demolish this, is probably the best if we let it finish and then recycle all of this rather. If I delete it now, it's well, actually, let's experiment with this. This is 15 tons of steel. Boom! Oolykee just did a really bad thing. We can go and rebuild the conveyor. Yeah, that's the one. And you can see here that it already likes it. So I can do it easily like this. Let's see if I can tee the sucker. We have power here. There's a power from the power plant, but we cannot rely on that. Like, this power from the power plant is not good for the local area, because if this stops, heating stops. We need external power that can be backed up by the other power plant. So this is going to be a third power plant that we have. First one is just minuscule, small one that is barely serving Lukashik, but what's with this? Okay, this needs to be probably replaced. Replace vehicle. Right, I need to choose to replace it with what. I think I started building the office here, the road vehicle, yeah, depot. So this is a, let's see, can it be fixed? Allow to repair. Why, what? Why don't they just go on their own? Okay, I'm allowing them to be repaired. I'm a good leader. Yeah, they can't find the repair station. Let's check this out. Right, time difference, 10 days. I recorded for 10 days without sound, but we're gonna do it right now. I'm gonna just cover what I actually missed. I have a video without sound. I will not re-record sound because I don't remember even what I was talking about, but we're gonna finish this episode, the last 5 minutes of the, or last 10 days I think it was, when I was editing this. This is future Oolykee. Editing Oolykee. I need to edit at least 5 more minutes for you guys. We built the conveyor belt here that's going to be supplying coal a little bit better to the power area or coal area that we're going to be delivering. I need to send another yeah, this looks relatively bad. I need to start replacing the vehicles that we have. We don't have that much money at the moment. I'm kind of hoping that our exports of coal will kind of increase, but we are kind of dependent on this single resource. Look at this guy here. Yeah, this small train is a waste. I think I need to buy more wagons for the coal distribution. You can see this guy here is having 500 tons of coal delivered, which is like 26,000 rubles. Not that much. More we're getting from clothing exports and stuff. That would be something like here, alcohol exports, only 6,500 rubles though. What are you exporting? This is importing food. This one is going for steel. This one is spending money. Is anybody earning money around here? Come on, guys. Why are you going? What? Ah, right, they're going for what? They're going back to distribution office. Okay, that's perfectly fine. This one is loading plastics. What are you loading plastics for? Ah, right, this is fine. You stop taking plastics from there, and you start taking plastics from our plastics recycling plant. That would be all the way here. If I go all the way down, load plastics, because this is where the plastics comes from. But there's only 48 tons. How much did we consume plastic-wise? This is gonna be easy, because only car repair area is consuming plastics. So if I go all time, we can go for domestic production and consumption. Okay, we don't have anything here. So industry is not consuming, construction is not consuming, citizens facility not consuming plastics, vehicle fuel not consuming plastics, waste production. Okay, that's not what I wanted. I have no overall. Here we go. Overall, from the beginning of time until now, we consumed 93 tons of plastics. So we currently only have 48, but I think we already have distribution from here taking plastics elsewhere. So I don't know if this is going to be enough plastics recycling for... Wait, are we delivering plastics that needs to be... How much of plastics are we producing? This is, again, something that I'm interested in to go into more details. We had here consumption, and this is waste production. Yeah, I really do enjoy the waste production. By the way, I know that you guys might hate me because of this, but hey ho, this year that some of you don't like, but I do. Separated waste. What the hell is separated waste? No, sorry. 3 division is absolutely really bad at stuff. let's see, plastic waste. We created 300 tons of plastic waste, and that's turned into 10. Yeah, 300 tons goes into, yeah, of course. It's 5 to 1. 10 tons go into 2 tons of plastic. So yeah, this is how much plastics we generate, and this is how much plastic we create. This is fine. So this is all the time. Metal scrap, aluminium is not here because we did import. Let's see, that's under people, yeah. Demolition industries are a different pair of shoes that they have thousands of tons of construction waste, mixed waste, and the metal scrap. But citizens facility here, like, people, what people are producing is important, and this is waste production industries. Why is it quantity minus 4,000? I don't get it. Oh, right, because they're burning the waste. Yeah, okay, that's fine. And then separated waste. I have no idea what the hell this is. This is probably that it's giving. I have no idea what this means. But this is probably how much it costs us to actually work the waste or something. Yeah, that's about it. I don't want to continue. I'm just gonna say let's go to the daylight, and I'm gonna go and finish with the new city layout, show you what we are doing here and how it looks like, and hopefully this is gonna, I don't know, I thought it's already gonna be done, that we're gonna already start moving people. We're gonna have a new town here, and we're gonna have old town across the railroad. So yeah, it is what it is. This is how the cookie crumbles. We are low on money. I will stop production. We're gonna be fixing some of the old houses, and I'm gonna be upgrading this village. I have no idea. This is just a pet project. Probably shouldn't be even doing this, but well, I am. We are. So I'm just gonna play around with the village. Probably put a bus station, and then supply the recycling industries here with people, just, you know, for the fun of it. So yeah, and this is something that I would like to build first as soon as possible, just because I would like to see what kind of pollution are we dealing with in the village. I need to buy new trucks. I need to buy new waste trucks. These repair icons that we have, I need to replace them because I think we need a little bit more capacity. This guy is delivering wood. This one is at 100% and searching for a repair station. Guys, if you know how to recycle vehicles, let me know, because I was told you can recycle them, you know, get them somewhere in, like, change depot. Can I change it to somewhere here, and then it's gonna be recycled or something? Yeah, so I would like to recycle the vehicles. I would like to recycle the vehicles if it's possible, just to add like metal scrap and stuff, because it seems perfectly plausible. But yeah, who am I? Who am I to say so? I probably should have put the this road depot next to the repair station, but listen to this. If I try to put a road vehicle depot like this, yeah. Can I do it? If I put it like this, and then I put vehicles there, can they be repaired then? I don't know. I'll play around with this. I'll let you know in the next episode. But yeah, that's it. I'm leaving. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, press the like button. If you didn't, leave a nasty comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Like, share, notification bell, ring it, comment section, hit it. And if you want to support the channel, have the description in the video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.